Joining us now to answer your tax questions is Tony King of King and Associates. Good morning.
Good morning, Jen. Good morning.
I know you're busy. This is your rock and roll time, that's for sure.
Absolutely.
All right, lots of questions this morning. Can I file last year's taxes along with this year's taxes? Where can I get forms for both years?
Well, you can always file multiple years together, but you must use a separate return. You cannot put, for example, 2016 income and deductions on your 2017 tax return. So you do have to file separate returns, but you can file them at the same time. And you can always get the forms from irs.gov.
Okay. Also, I received a 1099-A for property discharged in my Chapter 7 bankruptcy in 2012. Is this for sale information only, or do I need to do anything at all?
Generally, the 1099-A represents the abandonment of a property and the forgiveness of the debt. That is typically not income in bankruptcy. But the taxpayer does need to use Form 982 to show that this debt is forgiven as a result of bankruptcy, and then therefore it's not taxable.
All right. I received workers' compensation pay for all of 2017 from my job due to a job-related injury. Should I get a W-2 sent to me, and is this considered taxable income?
Workers' comp is generally not taxable, but there is a very rare instance that if you're receiving workers' comp and Social Security disability benefits that it could be, but 99% of the time workers' comp is not taxable income.
All right. I have an LLC business that began in July of 2016 and did not earn any money in that year. What do I file my Maryland taxes, state taxes?
Well, you start off with your federal. On 1040, attach a Schedule C. That's where you report sole proprietorship businesses like LLCs, et cetera. Then the income from your federal 1040 then gets transferred to your Maryland return.
All right, the next one has to do with property purchase. My father and I purchased a house in April of 2017. My fiance also has his own home. We're getting married next year, don't plan to sell either house. When is it time to file our taxes as married jointly? Who would claim each house?
Well, if you file jointly with your spouse, you're entitled to, obviously, the interest and tax deductions on that joint property. You can also claim a second home. So if you file with your spouse as a joint ownership, joint return, and you have two properties, you have to choose. Basically, you choose which one is going to give you the greatest deductions. But in a nutshell, you can claim mortgage interest on up to two properties: your primary home and then what is known as a second home.
All right. Are fees charged by a financial company on a managed 401k fund a tax deduction?
They are a tax deduction if you pay them directly. In other words, as long as they do not come out of the 401k funds themselves, but you write a check and pay them directly, they are deductible, and you have to use a Schedule A itemized deductions to show that there.
All right. And I'm a Pampered Chef consultant. I received a 1099 for my commission. What form do I use to deduct my Pampered Chef expenses?
That's similar to the previous tax question, the question where they were referring to a Schedule C sole proprietorship business. So in addition to your 1040, you attach a Schedule C to that to represent to report the Schedule C income and expenses from that particular business.
All right, we're talking about 2017 right now, of course, but a lot of changes in 2018. So we'll talk to you more about that as sort of we go along. But one thing that we talked about right before we went on air, some people might want to consider taking more out of their paychecks for withholding, just depending on the tax law. Depending
on their tax situation, that may not be a bad idea, because there are some very valuable deductions that you and I and a lot of people are used to receiving and will no longer be available in 2018. Itemized deductions may be limited. The loss of dependency exemptions are going to impact a lot of taxpayers. So there's a whole lot of deductions that you're used to that you're not going to get in 2018.
So when you go get your taxes done, talk to your tax consultant now about some of these potential changes through the year. All right, Tony,
there are some things you can do right now to prepare for 18.
That's good. We got it. We have to be thinking ahead. Thank you so very much. If we did not get to your question this morning, we will answer it next week, hopefully, so please keep them coming. You can email your questions directly to taxquestions@wbaltv.com or go to our website, wbaltv.com, and click on Consumer Alert. And if you would like to get in touch with the Kings, you can call them at 410-486-4500. You can also check out their website, king-king.com.